What's going on? Right now we're looking. Let me reset this chart. Let's see if people are coming in. The Fat Guy channel. What's going on? The Fat Guy. Can you hear me? Can you hear the audio? Is it loud and clear? Right now I'm setting up the channel. I'm waiting for people to come in, so we can get this thing started. Check out some charts today. Talk about a couple of things. Audio clear. G Baker, what's going on? Brendan, what's going on? What's up, Ben? I always appreciate your help. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Chris, sounds good. Tony, what's going on? What's up, Benny Blanco? What's up, man? How you doing, Tony? So we are live right now. Dominique Artist, will there be a discount for course? I need it. Dominique, yes. Later on, I will tell you about the discount. So, but right now is at the regular price, $210. But I would definitely just give me like 5-10 minutes. We would definitely get that going. Randy, yes, I made it in the beginning. Okay, Eric, what's going on? What's going on, Eric? What's going on, Lucy? So let's get this party started. For the people that never, basically, I don't know, just don't know anything about my channel. My name is Big Ben. I'm a professional investor. This is what I do full time, Monday through Friday. I day trade the futures market and the forex market sometimes, and this is what I do. I look at the charts. I specialize in the charts, and I try to give that knowledge to my subscribers. And my channel pretty much is deeper than crypto or the markets. Me talking about the markets. Number one, what I want to do is just basically motivate my subscribers, inspire them so they can actually one day eventually quit their job. Because I was sick of the 9-to-5 rat race. Trust me, it took a long time for me, but I finally said bye-bye to the rat race, and I want you guys to do that too, because it's a waste of time. I feel it's a waste of time, and I want you guys to take back your freedom. So today we're gonna look at a couple of charts, and just talk about the crypto world. And if you want, you can hit the likes. BTG Slick, BTC got smashed. Yeah, of course. Discount price is 500. What's good, bro? Peter, yes, discount. I would definitely give it a discount. Just give me like 5 to 10 minutes. Herbert said, say hi to your baby. Thanks a lot, Herbert. I would definitely say hi. I would say hi to her. Moex, what you thinking? Can this be a true triple bottom? No, I don't. In my opinion, I don't believe this is a triple bottom. That's why I'm going short. That's why I told you the guys on Thursday. But actually, I'm gonna get into that later. But no, I don't think this is a triple bottom. Hoppy says, love your channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Moex, the trend must end. Could dip more. All right, so. All right, so let's get things started. Yes, hit the Randy said hit the likes button. So make sure you hit the like button. I'm quite sure a lot of people will come in. More people will come in, but let's get this party started. So just let you know, I'm not a bear, meaning that I'm not one of these old guys. First of all, I'm not old anyway. I'm only 36, so I'm still young. But I'm not one of these, these guys, like these old guys that don't get cryptocurrency and they say, it's going to zero, whatever the case is. I'm not a bear, but what I am is a professional. I do this for a living, full time. So when I see the trend changing, I have to go along with the trend. So lately, I have been basically telling you guys that the market is bearish. So first, I want to tell you guys what made me switch, and what made me switch to a bear, because most of you guys probably don't know. So when the market was going down, it was going down right here, and then let me go to the other chart, because I think I drew the channel a little bit differently. All right, so BTC was going down, right? And I had this channel, and the price was probably around here, and we had that SEC meeting, right? So the market, so overall, I didn't call this a bear market yet. The market was bouncing, right? But as soon as it hit this channel right here, because I had this channel way before the price went there. So as soon as price hit this channel and reacted to this channel, and I saw a lot of sells, then automatically I switched to a bear. And what gave me, more confirmation is when the market tried to go up, try to create a new high right here, and it couldn't. So next thing you know, we started to sell off like crazy. So automatically, I alerted my subscribers, and I told them, listen, guys, we are in a bear market, and you have to be prepared for this. And you have to understand, when you decide to invest into the market, you have to understand that there's risk, meaning that every year is not going to be an up year. So we're going to have some years that's going to be up, and some years are going to be down. So you're going to have drawdowns. And if you're not aware of that, then you're not going to be prepared when a bear market when a bear market comes. So you have to understand that right now we are in a bear market. Too many sells is going on, and this is what made me change my whole, I guess the way I'm looking at the market, the crypto market. So right now, Thursday, I told you guys that, I'm in BTC. I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand. So let's go back to the other thing, right? And I told you guys, let's go back to the other one. So let's go back to, I think it's this one. No, I want to go back to the other chart I had before. Could be this one. All right, good. So let me go back to the chat room before I even start. Let me see if more people. Body said, "What's good, Ben? What's going on? How you doing?" All right. Smash the likes, yes, please. Crypto investing. How long will this dip be? I will get to that later on. Moex, I bought your course, not finished yet, but you show detail on how to short and long. You yes, I do. I do show detail. Okay, so now let's get to the reason why I'm in BTC right now. And so let's go down to the 4 hour. Now, matter of fact, before I even talk about this, basically, what is next for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market? We basically talked about this last stream, right? And I gave you 5 different reasons. I'm not going to go into all the reasons, but the top reasons is pretty much these 2 right here. These 2 are my top reasons, because we are in a bear market and we have a lot of bad coins. We have a lot of scams that's going on, right? A lot of coins that's in the crypto market scams. So you have to understand that a lot of these coins are useless, and we have to get rid of these coins. And in order to get rid of these coins, the market has to continue to go down to wipe out these guys. So what's next for Bitcoin and the crypto market? In my opinion, I believe we are going to continue to go back down, because we have to wipe out these bad coins and these coins that are not doing anything. A lot of these coins are scams. So that's why right now you see, the big dogs are stepping in and trying to regulate the market, because they don't want to see people get scammed, whatever the case is. So that's why you see what's going on in the market. So let's get to the trade, my trade. All right. So the trade that let's get in the reason why I took this trade. So I'm not going to get to like the whole reason, because it's going to be too long to explain it. But if you have my course, you know exactly what's going on. And once you get my course, you'll know exactly what's going on. So price went above, price was going down, right? It was trending down, right? And then it started to go back up. So it went above this moving average. And then we have a nice little setup right here. So I went long, short. So below this thing right here. So let's right. So I'm telling you the trade that I took, right below here. So on Thursday when I went live, I told you guys that I'm looking to make 10 to 15K, right? So I want to show you guys something real quick, because overall I didn't think this move was going to go down so quick. I thought the market was actually going to consolidate maybe for another month, because the market was slow. So I thought it was going to consolidate maybe for another month, maybe the end of June or July. Maybe the market would start to go back down. So I didn't think I was going to get this profit this quick. So let's go back to the 4 hour. So if you have my course, you know why I got in this trade. Like I said, it's a long, I don't want to get into it because it's too long to explain, but I got into right here. So the market went up, just barely went up, crossed this, what do you call this, moving average. So this short right here went down. We was consolidating a little bit, and then we finally went down. So before I even get into what I want to show you, let's go to the chat and see what you guys are talking about here. Okay. Moex says, "Oh, I like where this is going. Crypto investor, keep it real. Thank you. No problem, man. No problem. Wipe out all the scams." Yep, you have to. Moex, the market has to wipe all the scam coins, because the scam coins is what's going to hurt the market. But anyway, so why I took this trade is because the market is going down. It's a bear market. So below is where I took this trade. So when the market went below this line right here, this is where I took it. So I want to show you guys something real quick, and this is very powerful. So you have to pay attention. Right? Shoot. Okay. I'm going to show you guys something. Right? So this is the risk to reward. So I'm going to show you guys something. And like I told you before, I didn't think I was going to get my profit this quick. But I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to show you how professionals are able to do this full time. Now, if you look at the risk reward ratio, what it says 5. So what that simply means is, right, I told you guys I wanted to make 10 to 15, right? So risking $2,000, a risk reward is 5. That means that 2,000 times 5 is what? 10. So right now I can get out, right? But the reason why I'm still in is because I believe the market is going to continue to go down. But in my course, I teach you to get out. So for the most part, if you was in this trade, you would have been out already, you know? So don't follow what I'm doing, because this is not what I normally do. So if this was another trade, I would have been out already, you know? But the only reason why I'm keeping this, because I believe that this market right here will go below this candle right here, which is what is it, around what is 5,900. So that's the only reason why I'm still in. But I locked in profits, so it doesn't matter if the market goes back up, to me I highly doubt the market will go up. I think we're going to maybe consolidate a little bit around here and then drop back down. I doubt the market will continue to come back up, but it doesn't matter to me, because guess what? I locked in profits and I'm good to go. But at the same time, I believe that we're going to consolidate a little bit over here, and then we're going to go right back down. But this is powerful, guys. This is powerful. I'm going to tell you why this is powerful. Because risking, let's see if I can. Matter of fact, let's see. All right, so risking 2, right, to make 15, right? Put it like this: risking 2 to make 10. So that's 5. That's 5 times your money, right? Now, remember what I said before. I told you guys that on Thursday on the live stream, if I told you guys that if I took a loss on this trade, it doesn't matter to me, right? And the reason why it doesn't matter to me is because, let's say, put it like this. Let's say I did take a loss on this trade, right? So this would be negative 2,000, right? So it would be negative 2,000, right? Now, let's say my next trade I took, and it was this trade right here, a 5 to 1. So let's say I made 10 grand on this one, right? Guess what? 10 grand minus 2 grand, because remember I lost 2 grand, equals 8 grand, right? So this is why when I said to you guys, I didn't care if I took a loss, because when I take trades, I always go along with the major trend, and the major trend right now is the bull market. The bear market. The market is going down right here. So this is the major trend, right? This is the major trend right here. So let's say even if I took a loss right there, and I re-entered in the market, the odds is on my favor. Odds is on my side. So if I caught a trade that got a 5 to 1. That means that this 2,000 is wiped out, and now I have 8,000, meaning that my winners are bigger than my losers. This is how professionals are able to stay in the game, because their winners are always bigger than their losers. This is why I told you guys on Thursday, listen, I'm in BTC. I want to make 10 to 15, but if I take a loss on this one, I'm okay with it. I told you. If you don't believe me, look at the video. I told you guys. But like I said, I didn't think BTC was going to go down this quick, but it is what it is. But this is I'm trying to show you guys math that school is not going to teach you. School don't teach you this math, right? School doesn't teach you this math. So this is why I'm able to consistently build up an account, because my winners is always bigger than my losers. So this is very important. I had to show you guys this. Like I said, I think the market will continue to go down, and I'm willing to hold. So let's go to let's go to what do you call that, the chat, and see what you guys talking about. Ben, if you put the chart 4 hours, what do you see past bear bars on the BTC? I don't know what you're talking about, Eric. Can you Kelly, just saw the Bigfoot on the bathroom window. I just saw Bigfoot out of my bathroom window. Porter Edge, Bitcoin, what's going on? All right, Kelly, good. Get my gains. Yes. Lude, I'm all in Tron. Oh, so guys, so I'm hoping you're getting what I'm saying. So if you have my course, you know the reason why I entered this trade. I don't want to go into detail because it would take so long. But you'll know the reason why I entered this trade. So Dominic asked me earlier about the course, the discount on the course. So let's get that out of the way. I told him that give me 10 minutes so I can get that out of the way. So the course right now is 210. If you are new to my live stream, I give away a discount only for my the live stream people, right? So today, and I usually always give away a 50% discount. So for you guys actually want to take advantage of that, go ahead. I will put the link in the chat room. And the reason why you want to take advantage of this, hold on, let me put the link in the chat room first. Because Dominique asked me for the link. He wanna buy the course. And the reason why you want to take advantage of this is because, number one, I'm the only guy in the crypto market that's showing you how to make money when the market is going down and up. Most guys only know how to make money when the market is going up. So this course is recession proof, meaning if the market is dead, what most people think is dead, we can actually make money while the market is going down. So while your favorite YouTuber is crying and depressed, we are making money over here, right? Just like I showed you right here, 5-to-1, a 5-to-1 trade when the market is going down. Your favorite YouTuber is not doing this. And I told you guys Thursday, I'm looking to make 10 to 15 on this one. Before the market dropped, I didn't think the market was going to drop this quick, but I told you guys, I was risking my reputation. So the reason why you want to get this, because it's going to show you how to make money short term. Like if you have a 9-to-5, you can still make money with this, because a lot of trades we hold for maybe 3 days, a week, or 2, or sometimes for a month. So this course will show you everything. Dominique asked me for the link, and you definitely want to check that out. The Fat Guy channel says, thank you, Ben. No problem. So Dominic, did you get the link? Because you asked me earlier about this. Left said made it. Yeah, hey, how you doing? How you doing, man? Left lane. All right, so dialing JaffX.com. JaffX.com is in the course, but JaffX.com you can short BTC. The minimum is you can fund your account with $50, but of course you probably want to fund your account a little bit more than that. But you could definitely do that with that platform. So let's look at these comments real quick. Sean says, really enjoying your course so far. Almost done with section 1. Thanks a lot, Sean. I appreciate it. Margin requirements. You can trade with margin. Yes, you can trade with margin. And if you are in the United States, you can still trade. You can still short. So don't worry about that too. When you get my course, I explain everything. So Dominic, I don't know. You asked me about the thing, and so Dylan, yes, Dylan. Okay. So Dominic, I don't know where you at, but I just gave you the link. So let's get back to this to the stream. So most people ask me, right, Ben, where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? And I'm here to tell you that no one knows the bottom, right? I just play the odds. And right now, what you're looking at is a bear market. So instead of buying this market, I'd rather sell the market, because you have to understand, I'm not a bear, right? I'm holding crypto just like you guys. You have to understand, I'm not a guy that's bashing cryptocurrencies. I'm holding crypto just like you guys. But I will refuse to see my portfolio go down, and I refuse to be depressed. And I'm a professional, and I do this right for full time. So I can tell when the market is in a bear market, and it's best to go along with the major players, because the major players is basically selling this market. It's not the small retailers. It's the big dogs that's selling this market. So you always want to be on their side, because those are the people that can actually move the market. We can't move the market. We don't have that much money to move the market. So these guys, they control everything, right? They have enough money to push the market down. So we have to go along with them. And this is why, this is what I'm trying to do, or tell my subscribers, to shift your thinking and understand that it's multiple ways to actually make money in the market. So let's go to the let's go to the thing. Can I turn into 300? Of course, you already know I'm starting from square one. Could I turn 100 into 300? Left lane. I don't know what you talking about. Can you turn 100 into 300? Are you asking me that question? Let me see. Jeff, just found your channel, loving it, man. I wish I found it before. I think that's what you meant to say. Buying BTC last. Oh, you said before buying BTC last Sunday. Oh man, you bought Bitcoin last Sunday. Oh man, Jeff. I trust me. I wish you definitely found my channel, Jeff, because I told all my subscribers that on Thursday when I went live, I'm in BTC and I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand on a downside, because this is what's going on, right? We are in a bear market, right? And what the bears love to do is they love to play with your emotions, right? So when you thinking the market is going up, they automatically start to sell the market again. So most rookies, they think, oh, when they see this big up move, the market is going up. But if you know how to read the chart, you can tell that we didn't even make a higher high right here. And you see all these sells. You see sell. A little up move, sell. So everybody thinks that every time the market goes up, it's going to be a bull market. And in a bear market, it doesn't reverse like that, right? So you have to understand that we are in a bear market, and what put the stamp on it was when we tried to go to the 10,000 mark, and we couldn't even go to the 10,000, and guess what? We start selling off like crazy. So that definitely put the stamp on it right there, right? So like I said before, most people ask me, hey Ben, when is the bottom? Like I said, nobody knows the bottom, but the bottom, put like this, the bottom could be 2 to 3 years from now, right? So the question I'm here to, I guess your new question should be, right? Your new question should be, Ben, how can I make money now? Because you asking me when it's the bottom, meaning that it seems like you're trying to wait to hope that BTC is going to reverse. And that might be 2 to 3 years from now. I'm telling you to ask me a new question. And the new question should be, how can I make money now? And that's what I'm trying to show you guys. How you can actually make money now. N-O-W. So most of your favorite YouTubers can't tell you that. Because they all about bullish, right? Bull. Crypto investing. Do you accept BTC for your course? Email me, crypto investor. Yes, just email me and I'll give you the instructions. So I'm a crypto investor and I'm gonna give you my email address right now. I'm gonna put it in the chat. Let me see, make sure this email address is right. All right, so crypto investing, email me and I'll give you the instructions. So yeah, crypto investor, just remind me that for anybody that's just joining this chat room, this price for my course is $210, right? Only for the live stream, I give you guys a 50 discount, a 50% discount. So right now is at 110. You want to take advantage of this because as soon as I get off this chat room, this live stream, an hour from now, this price is going to go right back up to 210. So you definitely want to take advantage. And the reason why you want to take advantage is because I'm the only guy in the crypto market that has a crypto product that's showing you how to make money when the market is going up, and when the market is going down. I'm the only guy. So this is recession proof. And this is for people that have a 9 to 5. You have a 9 to 5, you can still make money. I show you how to swing trade. I show you everything. So you definitely want to get this. And also the reason why I have these quality products is so you guys to support the channel. Because I need some motivation, guys, to continue to do this. Because YouTube is not paying me. Matter of fact, let's go to, because I have this up right now. I want to show you guys, right? This is what YouTube paid me last month. $266, right? And I'm very transparent. I don't mind showing you guys what I make on YouTube. Your favorite YouTuber is not going to show you this. So this is what I made last month, 266. This month I'm making so far, what is it? $61. So I need some motivation, right? To continue to give you guys quality information and quality videos. So when you support your channel, it gives me the the motivation to continue to do this stuff. Because trust me, I don't need to do this stuff. So when I give you guys the option to get my product, it's a win-win situation for both of us because number one, you're supporting the channel, and number two, you have a quality product that can actually put money in your pocket. So instead of me trying to review ICOs and trying to ask you for donations or push affiliate links on you, none of those things are going to actually put money in your pocket. This will. Like if you get this product and you follow step by step, you can put money in your pocket. And I showed you like this. You see this setup right here is in the course. The reason why I took this short right here is inside the course. These patterns repeat themselves over and over and over again. So that's why you want to get that product. It's a win-win situation for both of us, right? Guys, you have to understand. Matter of fact, let's go to the chat room real quick. Crypto investor, did you get my email? Moex says, so do we need more sideward movements before the bull trend? I will answer that later. Left Lane said, I'm so excited about it. Thanks, appreciate it. Moex says, people buy the course. It's a small fee and it's tons of knowledge. Knowledge is the key to success. Thank you, Moex. Thank you, Moex. Okay, no problem. Crypto investing. When I get off the stream, I will email you. Left Lane said, you are using YouTube the way it's meant to be. You are a content creator, not a entertainer that's playing. Yes, you're right, because I don't know how to play games, you know. I just know how to give y'all guys quality information because I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So I don't really know how to entertain like most of these YouTubers that just want views on top of views. So I just want to give you guys quality information, you know. And you have to understand, guys, I never went to the college. I only went to a technical school, which was for automotive for 1 year. Right, I was going there to you know, work on cars, to be a mechanic. I never went to college, right? And I barely graduated from high school. So if I can do this, guess what? You can do this too. Right? I didn't have a plan B. I was sick of my 9 to 5, right? You have to understand, I used to live in New York, and the last place I used to live, it was in Brooklyn. And I had a job in Long Island. And Long Island is far away from Brooklyn, if you don't know New York. And at the time, I didn't have a car. So I had to wake up 3 a.m. in the morning time, take the train. Because at the time, I was driving, what do you call that? I was driving the town car, the black town car, because I was a driver. I used to take people to the airport, right? So my schedule was 6 to 6, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And I used to wake up 3. You understand that it used to hurt me. I used to wake up 3 a.m. in the morning time. So when I get up, it's dark outside. So I have to walk to the train station. It's dark outside, right? It took me 2 hours and a half to get to my job, right? And then after that, I go to the job, and then when I get to the job, I work 12 to 13 hours, right? And then after that, I go back home. Now, when I go back home, guess what? It's dark. So I leave my house and it's dark. And when I'm going back home, it's dark. It's crazy. So working 12 hours, 13 hours shifts, and plus traveling 2.5 hours, you're talking about at least 15 to 16 hours of my time every single day. How can you live like that? So me personally, I was tired of that, man. I was like, I got tired of it. So I did everything. Like I said, I never went to college, so I didn't have a plan B. I didn't really want to be a mechanic no more. So I didn't have no plan B. I said I wanted to trade the markets full time. This is what I want to do. I love this stuff. So I put my head down for 8 years, and I just went at it, studying the charts every single day. When I used to go on a train, I used to bring my laptop with me, open my laptop, study the charts, right? I was addicted to this stuff. And my pain basically brought me out of, my situation, because I was tired of this, man. Working 12-hour shifts, waking up and it was dark, coming back home and it was dark. That's no way to live. So that's why I said my channel is deeper than crypto. I'm really trying to help you guys to get out of this stupid rat race, because I understand how it is, And I remember my last job interview. My last job interview was at a company named Safe Light. A company named Safe Light, and they actually we call it, they repair windows and stuff. So we did a group interview, and I think it was like maybe 8, 9 of us, and I'm the only one that came dressed up, right? I'm dressed up. Most of these guys got t-shirts on, shorts. I think it was another guy that was dressed up, but just me and him, right? And out of the whole group, I had more, qualifications than anybody. And they said, listen, we're going to hire 3 people out of this group. And then the next day I got an email from them, and they said, unfortunately you didn't get the job. I got so pissed off because the people that was in the room, these guys never worked on a car in their life. I told these guys, listen, I used to work for the dealership. I used to work for Hondas. So Honda dealership. So I know how to repair windows. I told them that Honda sent me to school. I told them I went to an automotive school. I told them everything. I had more qualifications than anybody in that room. Right? And these other guys, they was basically they used to work for, they was working for a supermarket. They was working for a Walmart. You had a guy, assistant manager. These guys didn't know how to do anything. And then when I received that email, I was so pissed. I was like, yo, what's going on? So I called these guys up. I was like, what's going on? Why would you, how come you didn't hire me? And they didn't want to tell me the reason. I was like, is it because, you want some young teenagers that you can pimp out? I don't know. Like, I'm trying to figure out. So when that happened, I was like, yo, enough is enough, man. I can't have someone control my life like that. I hate that feeling. I hated that feeling. Like someone is controlling your life like that. It felt like they took money out of my pocket because at that time I really needed a job. So I'm like, man, I can't do this no more, man. I have to basically make money from this market. And that was my last job interview, and now I do this full time. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first started, it was hard. I lost a lot of money, a lot. But I'm glad I never gave up because I'm here doing this full time, Monday through Friday. I can go anywhere around the world, travel. I can open my laptop. As long as it has Wi-Fi, I can make money. So this is why I try to tell you guys, man, once you could understand the power of learning how to read the charts, right? And understand that you can make money when the market is going up and down, you wouldn't be as depressed as most people right now. Most people are depressed right now. I'm like, what? You depressed? Are you just kidding me? Bro, it's this. Every time the market goes down, you see the market going down right here. That's money right here. Money. When the market's going down right here, money, money, money. This is all I'm seeing. Money, 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 money. That's it. How can you be depressed? Only reason why you're depressed is because you don't understand how the market works. So let's go to the chat room and see what these guys talking about. Got a degree in networking, 2010. Got a warehouse job. No more applications, no call back. Yeah, exactly. Left lane. How do you expect to start a career? Exactly. You know how many applications you have to fill out? And you get nobody call you back? People's tired of this. People are tired of this. Tired of depending on stupid jobs. That's why it's great to work on yourself. Now the market is trying to give a pop up, which is normal. This is normal. Right? You see how the market is going up. This is normal. I'm not worried about this. This is if you compare this bar. Let me erase this stuff because it's getting in my way. If you compare this red bar to this green bar, the sellers are still in control. So I'm not, this green bar is nothing. But like I said before, locked in profits already. So who cares what happens? But for the most part, this little green bar is nothing. Not compared to this. The sellers are still in control. So let's go back to this chat room. Okay, so Left Lane says preach. Yes, man. I'm tired of this stuff. Full-time jobbers are doomed to remain as retail investors. Let me see. I feel like less. I don't understand. O'Connor, I don't understand your question. You said, are full-time jobbers doomed to remain as retail investors? Can you explain a little bit better? DOM, what's up? What's up, Dom? He said that's way too depressing, Ben. Yeah, it's depression, but at the same time, it's life. You got to fight through it because you have to understand life is just, because the way we live life right now is we don't supposed to live life the way we live, and I believe that I was willing to fight for my freedom. So, I was willing to do anything. I didn't have a plan B. I told you. So instead of complaining, of course, I am a human being. So at the end of the day, you do complain here and there, but I didn't complain a lot. I just kept it to myself, and I just kept improving because that's the most important part. You have to keep on improving. Kelly Good bought it yesterday. Bought it yesterday. Gonna go balls deep in it later. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Kelly. Thanks a lot for your support. Thanks a lot for buying the course, Kelly. Clive said, just paid for the course. My bank account was empty over the weekend, so I was worried I wouldn't get another chance at the discount. I'm glad that you caught me on this live stream, Clive, because a lot of people really don't catch me on a live stream, so they have to pay the regular price. But Clyde, thanks for your support. I appreciate it. If you guys are just stepping in, what Clyde is talking about is this right here. The course is originally $210, so the original price is $210. Only for the live stream, you get a 50% discount. So you want to take advantage of this right now, because when I get off this, the price will go right back up to 210. This course will tell you how to make money when the market is going up and down. It's the only course in the market that's showing you this, plain and simple. So let's go back to the chat. Yeah, Clive, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. You said, can I post a link for your course? All right, my fault, Troy. My fault, Troy. You're right about that. I ain't post a link for the course. Troy, here's the link. And let me know if you got the link, Troy. Please, let me know. Okay, let's go to the other. Let me see. Question: will the market go to? Okay, so Singh said, will the market go to 1 trillion in the future? It's a possibility, but honestly, right now, I'm not really thinking too much in the future right now. I'm not right now, but it's a possibility. You know what? It all depends on the regulations and if the big dogs want to come in the market. If the big dogs want to come in the market, then yes, it could be a $1 trillion market. But it all depends on the big dogs. Decentralized, what price you predict before it continues to go back down? Any thoughts? Back to 75 and back then, oh, well, he said he's asking me, do I think it's going to bounce and hit 75? So 75 is around here. To be honest with you, I don't even think it's going to get that high. I don't think we're going to bounce that high. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. I think we are going to consolidate a little bit around here and then continue to go down. I think the highest maybe what, 72, maybe. But if we do go up to 75, like you said, decentralized, that's definitely going to be resistance. So make sure that you know, keep an eye on that. Like I said, it's hard to tell. It's hard to say 71. It's hard to tell how far this thing is going to bounce, but we'll see. All right, the Fat Guy channel said just bought it. So excited. Thanks a lot, the Fat Guy channel. Thanks a lot for your support. It means a lot to me because it gives me motivation. I done showed you guys what I get for YouTube. This month alone, I'm getting what, $61, and last month I got what, $266. Like, that's not even part-time money. If you divide that by you know, 30 days, that's horrible. So this is why I tell you guys, you know, support the channel, and at the same time you're getting a quality product that can actually put money in your pocket. Tino says Big Ben course is the truth. 10 years of knowledge for $110 is a steal. See, this is a guy that basically bought my course, right? This is why I love doing these live streams, because I rather the people talk about the course than me, because the people is, you know, they have the truth because they bought the course already. So thank you, Tino. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. And I believe the 110 is a steal, because I can, trust me on this, I can charge $400, $500 for this course. But this thing is going right back up to 210. And if you don't believe me, when I end this live stream an hour from now, go to that link and check it. It'll go right back up. So let me copy the thing, and let me get back to this charts. So yeah, you can just email him. Hold on, let me see. Christopher says, buying your course now. Thanks a lot, Christopher. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate it, Christopher. Okay, Singh says, can we pay your course in BTC? Yes. I'm gonna give you my email address, okay? Singh, I'm gonna give you my email address right now. Singh, did you get my email address? I just gave you the email address. You could, if you want to pay in BTC, I give you instructions. I give you the instructions, and I'll tell you everything. So let's go back to the things. Which altcoins do you like? XRP, TRX? Okay, thanks a lot, Singh. Took Litecoin until anyone invested in Litecoin, blah blah blah. All right, so Dylan says your videos are awesome. Love the constant content. By the way, do you think what do you think of Zilcore? I like I said right now, I know a lot of you guys asking me what I think about XRP, TRX. I really don't have nothing to say about these coins right now, because right now we are in a bear market. So even if I like the project, you know, even if I like the project, me personally, I'm not going to invest in none of these coins right now, because we are in a bear market, meaning that the market, I believe, is going to continue to go down. If you notice, Tron, we had resistance right here and we sold off. And I was trying to tell my subscribers, right, you know, when I make my videos, of course, I don't give, you know, financial advice. It's entertainment only. But I tell my subscribers, listen, guys, you have to learn how to take profits. And when the market was going up for mainnet on Tron TRX, I said, I hope you guys are taking profits. And I'm hoping, I know a lot of some people actually took my advice. I'm not gonna say take my advice, because I don't give advice, but I know some people actually took some profits, because if TRX was going up here and you didn't take any profits at all, then you watching TRX going right back down to your price. So let's go back to the chat room. Christopher, oh sweet, I paid BTC too. That free what? Okay, I will pay in BTC too. That's free for me. Okay, cool. Christopher, do you have my email address? I'm gonna give you my email address right now. Okay, let's get back to the chat. Blah blah blah. Do you have a course on reading the charts, Troy? Troy, yes, I have a course on reading the charts. This is it right here, Troy. And Troy, since you are on this live stream, you have a 50% discount on this. The original price is $210. So you want to get this today, because as soon as this live stream ends, an hour from now, the price is going right back to $210. So all I do is read the charts. So yes, Troy, I do have a course on reading the charts. This is the course right here. So Troy, this is the link. Okay, Bill, what did I miss? You missed me talking about everything pretty much. I'm looking forward to upgrading for my whole strategy. Okay, let's get to that. Since Clyde said he's looking from upgrading from his HODL strategy. So I'm glad that Tron brought that up. I mean, Troy, is it Troy? Who brought that up? Clive brought that up. So let's get to that, right? So what if I told you everything you know about how to make money in the market is a lie, and the information that you know about the market was given to you on purpose by the rich? Generic information, not the real information, right? Because most people think that long-term investing is the way to go, buy and hold. And let me say something before I continue. There's nothing wrong with buy and hold, but you have to understand, right? Most people only know about buy and hold. So when I talk about this 80-20 rule, this 80-20 rule is real, right? The majority are losers, right? 80% of the population are losers, and they're not only losers. They are they always complain. They always are late. They follow. They are followers, right? They always looking to depend on the government. And you don't want to be in this group right here. You don't want to be in this group. You want to be in this group right here, because these dudes, they think the opposite. They are winners. And most people, the 80%ers, they only know about buy and hold. So remember when I said, just, you know, earlier, What if everything that you know right now, you know, about how to actually make money is a lie? It was just information that, you know, was given to you on purpose by the rich. So why does society only knows about buy and hold? And who controls society? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself. And the answer is the rich. The rich control society. So they want you to know. They want you to only know about buy and hold strategy. Because you have to understand that there's nothing wrong with buy and hold, but if that's your only strategy, then it is something wrong with it. And the reason why it's something wrong with it is because the rich loves when you buy and hold, so they can actually take your money. How? Ben, how can the rich take my money when I buy and hold? How is that possible, Ben? I'm going to show you right now. The rich created something that's called boom and bust. Boom and bust is in every market. It's not just the crypto market. It's not just the stock market. It's in every market, the real estate market. Every market. You have boom and bust cycles. Gold, boom and bust cycles. Oil, boom and bust cycles, right? So you have to understand that the rich loves when you buy and hold, because they know that because you have to understand the rich controls the market. So when you have these boom and bust cycles, when it busts, when everything busts and goes down, they are taking your money. This is why they love when you buy and hold, because when you're holding, they are taking your money when the market is going down, 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 down. They're just taking your money. That's all they're doing. And I'm trying to wake you guys up little by little. I know it's not going to be a one-day thing. I know it's not going to be a overnight thing. But little by little, I know I will wake most of you guys up, or some of you guys, right? So you have to understand that most people, the people that go to work, 9 to 5s, all they know is buy and hold, right? So they invest in these 401ks, right? Mutual funds, the blue chip stocks. And what is this? All this stuff is a long-term strategy. All this stuff is a long-term strategy. And like I said before, there's nothing wrong with buy and hold. But when it's your only strategy, then there's something wrong with it. Because when it's your only strategy, they can actually take your wealth. And you don't want them to do that. And I'm here, you know, it's a blessing that I'm here, because I can give you guys this information, right? I've been doing this for 10 years plus, so most of your YouTubers, your favorite YouTubers, can't tell you the things I'm telling you. So I'm glad I'm here to tell you guys this. So society, like I said, the rich controls the society, right? Controls society. And pretty much society only, pretty much all they know is to buy and hold. And I just showed you. This is what they do pretty much all their lives. What I'm trying to give you is another way to make money. And it's called short-term investing. Because what short-term investing will do, it will help you generate cash flow, monthly income. So when short-term investing, you won't get caught up with all these buy and hold, I'm taking your money type of situations, right? So right now, this is a good example. Remember when I said, you know, I took that trade right here? That's a short-term strategy. It's helping me build my wealth, and it's helping me build my account, right? So this is a quick move right here that made money less than how many days? This is probably a week, right? Helped me to build my monthly income, right? When you only have a buy and hold strategy, you can't build that monthly income because you have to understand the cycles of the market. The market doesn't go up forever. So we're going to have down markets. We're going to have markets when the market is going down, right? So this year, the crypto market is we are in a bear market. So your portfolio is going to be down pretty much maybe for the whole year or two, right? So how is it possible for you to actually make cash flow, monthly income, while your portfolio is going down, down, down? It's impossible. So that's why I'm trying to give you guys another way to actually make money, which is called short-term investing. And the rich, trust me, the rich has multiple strategies. And this is what I'm trying to give you guys, right? This information. Because if you think, put it like this, let me ask you guys this. Do you think Donald Trump put his money in assets that he can't touch for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years? No. You know why? Because he needs his money to buy new opportunities, right? So in order to help him grow his bank account, he always need assets. He always needs his money so he can actually buy new opportunities, so he can build up his account. And it's going to be hard to build up your account if your money is tied up and locked away. Because all these, listen, let me show you these. All these strategies right here, what they do is they lock your money in. They tie your money up. They tie your money up. Right? See, this is why I said in the beginning, what if I told you everything you know about how to make money in the market is a lie? And what if, right, the information that you know right now about the market was given to you on purpose by the rich? The rich want you to lock up your money and tie up your money. Because like I said before, there's two ways the rich continue to, get richer. They have to take, number one, they make you work for them. And number two, they have to take your money, right? And when the market turns bearish, that's when they take your money. So they don't mind you buying and holding, because when you buy and hold and you tie up your money, they can easily take your money. And I'm trying to convince you guys. I'm trying to shift your thinking. And like I said, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to little by little, because most of you guys only think buy, 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 because your favorite YouTuber is saying, yo, the market's going to the moon, buy, buy, buy. That's your favorite YouTuber is not a full-time investor. They don't invest in the market full-time, so they can't tell you the things I'm telling you. So they make their money from views and producing videos. That's it. So you have to understand that these buy and hold strategies are okay, but they're not. You can't use it as your only strategy, because you're going to tie up your money. And the name of the game is not to really tie up your money. The name of the game is building cash flow, monthly income, right? You have to understand that it put like this. If you look at any self-made millionaire or self-made billionaire, he makes his money not from long-term investments. He makes his money from short-term vehicles, like building a business. If you look at Bill Gates, right, his short-term vehicle was building Microsoft, right? Microsoft. It wasn't like he didn't say, I'm gonna lock away my money for 30, 40, 50 years, and I'm gonna hope that my money turn into millions or billions. No, he created a short-term vehicle, and he's now building cash flow every single month, right? And now he can take money that he's building up, and he can invest that money into long-term products, right? A lot of people don't understand your long-term invest. Only reason why you want to invest long-term is so you don't have to put your money in the bank, because once you put your money in the bank, your bank is not going to give you that much returns on your money, you know. So the purpose of putting your money away for, you know, for long-term investments is because you want to you know, grow that money. But it's not for you to actually become real rich off of that money. It's called long-term investment for a reason, because you're not worrying about that money until maybe 20, 30, 40 years from now, right? But your main goal should be, how can I build cash flow? And I talk about this in my my course. So that's why you definitely want to get this course. I talk about everything. This is not just about crypto, you know, investing. I talk about everything. I talk about how to successful, you know, successful entrepreneurs think. I talk about how to manage your money. I talk about how to make, you know, money when the market go up and down. So you definitely want to check that out. But so you have to understand that long-term investing is not just is not for you know, building wealth. It's so you can actually stick your money somewhere so it can actually, you know, grow that money. And you can't expect that money to grow overnight. You have to, you know, let that money grow and not worry about that money until maybe 20, 40, 30, 50 years from now, right? But the main, like I said, the name of the game is building cash flow, right? So if you look at Facebook, if you look at Amazon, all these guys that's self-made, what they do, they are using a vehicle, right? Our vehicle is the market, is the market. So I love the financial market, I love the crypto market. This is our vehicle to build short-term wealth, right? Their vehicle is, you know, businesses, building a business, right? So you have Amazon. He built Amazon, so that's his short-term vehicle that builds monthly income for him. Facebook, that was his vehicle. So all these guys that build billion-dollar businesses or million-dollar businesses, these self-made guys, they didn't become rich because they had a long-term investment that made them billions of dollars. No. Your long-term investments is just so you can actually put your money away safely. Not really safely, but so you don't have to put your money in a bank, because you won't. If you put your money in the bank, you're not going to make money. So you want your money to grow, but it's going to be a long-term investment, right? So you guys have to understand this. And I'm here to pretty much open your guys' eyes. Because to me, personally, it scares me a little bit when I you know, invest long term. So let's say I invest long term, right? And 10 to 20 years from now, the market goes right back down to break even. So let's say that I bought, you know, Bitcoin right here, right? And let's say that this is 10, 20 years from now. It goes right back to my entry point, so I'm back to break even, right? I'm so you know, I'm scared that will happen. So me personally, it motivates me to create short-term income, because imagine wasting 10 to 20 years knowing that your money didn't really go anywhere. And I'm not saying that will happen. I'm just saying that I think that we're not going to have it as good as our parents had it, and Warren Buffett. Because Warren Buffett, to me, I definitely respect that guy, because he has a lot of money, and you know, but I think that his timing was good, and I think that for the most part, our generation is not going to benefit from the market like he did. I think we're going to have probably a crazy recession, and the market is probably not going to recover right away. It's going to probably take a lot of years before the market recover, and it's probably going to go up slowly. So by the time we retire, we're not probably going to have that much money. So, and this is just my opinion. So I don't think we're going to have it good like our parents had it, you know, because if you look at the stock market, it's going up, up and up and up every single year, up, up, up and up. I think eventually that pattern will break. When you know, I think because right now the United States is in debt, and I think when we have that recession, basically it's gonna be a long time before we recover. So I don't want to wait 20, 30 years from now and wake up and say, man, what happened to my long-term investments? Well, you know, why I'm only up 10%? I should be double my money by now, you know? So that scares me. I don't know about you, but that scares me. I can't, it doesn't fit right, you know, with me, knowing that 10 years pass, 20 years pass, it's a possibility that my money is not growing. So what I do, I focus on my short-term wealth, and that's it. So that's why I'm trying to give y'all guys the game. Most you're not gonna really hear this from nobody for the most part, especially from your crypto YouTuber, your favorite crypto YouTuber. So so guys, that's pretty much it for that short-term thing. And that's why you just can't just rely on buy and hold, because remember what I said before, right? 80% of the populations are losers, right? And if you go on YouTube, guess what? 80% of the crypto holders is saying what? What they saying? HODL, right? HODL, 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 HODL. Right? And like I said before, there's nothing wrong with holding, but the majority is always are always losers. So you don't want to follow these people. If the majority is saying, yo, we're going to hold, you have to say, you know what? I don't know if I want to follow these guys. I think I want to follow these guys right here. These guys seem like they pretty much win all the time. So I want to see what these guys are doing. And what these guys are doing, the 20% guys, right? They are selling the market, right? They don't care which way the market goes. If the market's going up, they buying. If the market's going down, they selling. And I'm trying to give you guys that opportunity. I'm trying to shift your thinking, and I'm hoping that some of you guys will open your mind. You know? So if you are just stopping by, you definitely want to check out my thing, because I have a discount on the live channel. Let me copy the paste the link to the thing, and let me read some of these comments. So let me go back. You said BTC went up $200 in 20 seconds. In 20 what seconds? It's cool. It doesn't matter if BTC goes up 220 seconds. You know why? You see how big this bar right here is, and you see how big this bar right here is. Tell me who's in control. This guy or this guy? Now, it's a possibility that we can pull back up here, but you know, the chances to me is, you know, it's slim. But anyway, let's go back. Let's go back to the thing. Can we use your technique with the real stock market? Yes, of course. Every single the patterns on a chart is the same in any market. I trade the futures market, stock market. So yes, you can trade, you can use these patterns in the stock market too. In April, I was up 12K with Tron, but didn't take no profit. If I was 12K, I would took at least 5K. See, this is left lane, right? So left lane said he was up 12K let me see what day that he said. He said, let me see, 12K. He said in April. Okay, so let's go to April. Where's April at? April's around here. So he said he was up 12K and he didn't take no profits, right? So I don't know if you sold. Did you sold everything? You sold every. Let me see. Left lane. Are you still holding Tron? What's going on? You said, do I have silver in my portfolio? No, I don't have silver in my portfolio. Maybe I should get silver, but I don't. By I can't really pronounce that name. By Lau said, I learned from Ben. I started to take profits and reinvest those profits at the dips. Thanks a lot. And he said he took 3K only. See, that's what you had to do, especially in the bear market. You definitely want to know how to take profits. You definitely want to know how to take, because imagine if the market was going up, right, and it shot back down. So you took your profits right here and you reinvest your profits, and you could have made more. That's why I love the charts, because the charts, you can, once you learn how to read the charts, you can actually do pretty much, anything you want, because you don't have to rely on the stupid news. The news always mislead, just always confuse you, put it like that. Let me see. I don't agree in regards of HODL. If you bought 10K in 2011, you'll be balling. So if you listen to what I said, right? If you bought 10K, if you bought Bitcoin at 10K, if you listen to what I said there's nothing wrong with buying and holding. There's nothing wrong with that, right? You have to understand what I'm saying. There's nothing wrong with buying and holding, but you also have to understand that if you have that as your only strategy, you are going to feel it when the market turns into a bear market. So when you said, if you bought Bitcoin at 10K, guess what? We at 6K right now, right? So if you bought Bitcoin at 10K, you at 6K. So if you're a holder right now and you didn't sell, because most holders, most guys that hodl, they don't sell. They don't take profits. They don't sell. So if you bought Bitcoin at 10K, that means you are in the red right now. You're in the red. So that means you are losing money. And this is what I'm trying to tell you. There's nothing wrong with hodling, but for the most part, all these hodlers, they don't know what they're doing, and they're going to continue to hodl and see their money disappear until Bitcoin goes back up, and that could be another 2 to 3 years from now. So why would just ask yourself this, right? Why would you put yourself through that, right? Why would you put yourself through that? This emotion, this roller coaster, right? I told you that our generation, I believe our generation is not going to benefit from the market like our parents did. So we don't have time, bro. We don't have the time that our parents had. So we have to make our money now, right? So the question you should, ask is, Ben, how can I make money now? I know the market is going down, but how can I make money now? And I'm showing you. I already showed you already. Right here. 10K right here. Looking for 15K. I showed you way before this move happened. If you go to my live stream on Thursday, I said, guys, I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand on BTC, right? Sunday, we had this big down movement. I swear, I didn't think Bitcoin was going to go down that quick. But it is what it is. So I'm showing you how to make money now, not 2 years from now, 3 years from now, or even 5 years now, because you have to understand. I told you in my last thing, this is the 5 reasons why I believe Bitcoin will continue to go down. And you have to understand regulations, right? Plays a big part, because once these big dogs come in and regulate the market's not going to move the same. And what I mean by that is a regulated market doesn't have these crazy swings like this. The reason why we have crazy swings like this because it's an unregulated market. So when these guys come in and start to regulate this market, right, it will slow down the market. So before we even hit a bottom, right, the market might go sideways for a long time. So are you prepared for that? Do you like your job that much you willing to wait 4, 5, 6, 7 years? We don't even know. You like your job that much? Or do you want to make money now? This is what I'm saying. And most people that buy and hold, they don't understand you can make money multiple ways. Just trying to shift your thinking, that's all. And like I said before, this is not going to happen overnight. It's a day by day thing. So most of you guys are not going to understand what I'm trying to say, because most of you guys are so used to hearing about hodl from your favorite YouTuber, because your YouTuber have been brainwashed by the 20%ers, the rich, that want you to buy and hold because they benefit from you when you buy and hold. And I don't expect you to understand what I'm trying to say right away. So it's gonna take video after video after video, because when I believe this thing's going to go to the first stop is going to go to 4,400. So let's go to the chat room. Can't wait to get into the above 1K. Left lane. What you can't wait to get into above the 1K? What do you mean by that? NK say real talk. Get the course. You will read the charts like Neo. He said like Neo could see in the Matrix. Been that as like Morpheus. Thanks a lot, MK. This is the guy that actually bought the course. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your kind words. Christopher, don't worry about that. Troy said, dumb question, but do we read stock charts the same as? Yes, Troy. This is how I'm able. Listen, Troy, I do this full time. So the market I started with was penny stocks, and then I graduated to regular stocks, and then I went to the futures market. So the stuff that I'm teaching you is the same patterns that I use in these other markets. That's why I'm able to come to the crypto market and use these same patterns, because every market acts the same. Every market is the same. They have the same patterns. Walter says, just bought your course. Now I'm part of the Big Ben team. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate all the support. You don't understand. I really do. I really do. I appreciate everything. Yes. Jordan says, yes, we are in the matrix. We are being controlled. Of course. We are being controlled by the rich. Of course. And this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. We are being controlled. The rich controls everything. We are in the matrix. And what I figured out is, I said to myself, okay, since I'm in the matrix and the rich controls everything, they control society, I said to myself, okay, the things that I'm doing right now is not making me rich. So how can I actually, become rich? Guess what? I got to do the same things these guys are doing. So instead of me trying to fight these guys, I got to go along with these guys. So in the market, when the market is going down, this is the rich that's selling the market. So instead of me trying to fight these guys, I'm going to go along with them, because if I fight them, they're going to take my money. So right now I'm going along with these guys. And when you get this course, right? When you get this course right here, I will show you everything. I will show you how to go along with it. Okay, so Singh said, I unsubscribe from all those MF YouTubers talking like crypto gurus. Ben, I can't believe that your channel is not big. You deserve at least 100K subscribers. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. Christopher K, I emailed you. Yes, don't worry. I will check my email as soon as I, get off this thing. Cupcake. Hey, how you doing, Cupcake? Sup, man? What's going on? What's going on? Jesus, great video. Thanks a lot, Jesus. Let me see. I talked about Tron already. Cupcake got the course yesterday. It has some great information. See, this is Cupcake. This is the people that bought the course. So thanks a lot, Cupcake. I appreciate it. And once you continue to, watch those videos, Cupcake, you will see that this video, this course is the truth. Wally just bought the course. Buddy. Thanks a lot, Wally. I appreciate it. He's from, Wally is from Australia. So thanks a lot. Okay, after paying, he said, after paying, how long should I receive the down? Clive, when you pay, you're going to receive the download link right away. It should be in your email box. So let me give you guys the link just in case you don't have it. So in for you guys that just joined the live stream, this discount is only for the people that's on the live stream. The original price is $210. So you definitely want to get this right now, because as soon as this live stream, as soon as I end this live stream, it's going right back to $210. And if you don't believe me, just check it an hour from now. Anyway, let's go back to the chat. Let me see, Big Ben. Okay, so crypto Joker said, what's your reckon on getting to the course once I have time to digest it? Start little by little, play with fake money, test, learn. Well, it's up to you. So yes, of course you want to digest the course, if you want to start little by little, yes, of course. If you want to do that, you get just your feet wet, you can do that. If you want to play with test money, if you want to just use a demo account, yes, you can do that too. So it's all it's up to you at the end of the day, whatever you feel that's right. But you definitely want to, I guess, start little by little. You don't want to, take your whole money in your bank account and bet on one trade. Of course not. I said BitConnect was a major. Left Lane said BitConnect was a major course in the BKC. BitConnect, man, that's crazy, man. BitConnect is a crazy thing. Some people won't change their mind, Big Ben. Yeah, I know, man. That's why I said it's going to be, a day-by-day thing with this. It's going to be hard, but it is what it is. The rich made them make money by holding. You're right. So, okay. So let me see what's good. From Miami, Well, who's this? 911 Speed. What's good? He says he's from Miami. What's poppin', man? Miami. I love Miami. I love Miami, man. What's good? Corey, this course is the real deal, people. This is Corey Bauer, right? This is not me talking. This is why I like doing these live streams, because the people that bought the course, they can actually, you know, share their thoughts. And Corey, thanks a lot, Corey, for the kind words. He said this course is the real deal, people. So if you're just joining me, it's a discount only for the people that's on this live stream. The original course is $210. Right now is a 50% discount. It's $110. So if you want to get it, get it. You know, I don't force people to do nothing. A lot of people ask me, yo, listen, how can I make money now? I'm showing you how you can make money now, not 3 years from now, because the people that buy and the people that's buying and holding right now, they waiting 2 to 3 years from now to make money. I'm showing you guys, listen, you can make money now. Forget 3 years from now, man. That's a trap. I'm telling you guys, that's a trap. They want you to think that way, man. Guys, they want you to think this way. They brainwash you to think this way. This is the only way to make money. They brainwash you to think this way. This is the only way to make money. Hold, buy and hold. God, I'm telling you right now, that's not the only way to make money. All right, let's go back to these comments. Chance that says buying a course right now, man. How many hours a day would you need to commit to the charts? Every single day. Oh, you say how many hours a day? Okay, so I would say at least, you know, an hour or two, or 2 hours a day, 2-3 hours. Me, I was addicted, so you know, I was looking at this stuff every single day. So, I mean, you know, all day. But 2 hours, 3 hours a day, that's pretty good. As long as you're addicted to this stuff, you'll be okay. So 2 or 3 hours a day, you know, you'll be okay. Like with me, when I used to work, I told you, I brought my laptop with me on the train. I was looking at charts. On my lunch break, I was looking at charts. I was addicted to this stuff. Let me see. Messiah says, do you think that we first make a spike before? Oh, so you said, do you think we're going to go up first before? Honestly, I don't think so. I think this move right here is, I think we're going to just consolidate a little bit and then continue to go back down. I don't see it spiking up. You know, it's a possibility, but I don't see it. I just don't see it. This is a heavy move right here. You have to understand. I mean, volume wise, let's go to coinmarket.com. Volume wise, let's see. Bitcoin volume. Sheesh. Where's the volume at? Okay, so the volume increased. You see how low it was the other day? And then all of a sudden increased. So to me, it increased on the downside, not the upside. So the way I'm looking at this whole thing is, I don't think we're going to shoot up. I think we're going to just stay right here, maybe consolidate a little bit, and then continue to go down. If you can't beat them, join them, Ben. For real, man. If you can't beat the rich, you gotta join them. Facts, homie. Everybody agree on the name. Somebody said you will hit 100 subscribers by the end of this year. I hope so. I hope so, man. Troy said, I just bought it. I got the link immediately. So that's Troy saying it. So thanks a lot, Troy. Thanks for your support. Do I have a Twitter? No, I don't have a Twitter. Maybe I should create this Twitter. I don't know. Crypto trader. I just did, Ben. I bought your course. Thanks a lot, crypto trader. Thanks a lot for your support, crypto trader. I appreciate it. Trust me, you don't know. I do appreciate it. Because, you know, it's hard to come on here and basically try to change the way you think. It's very hard because if you go on YouTube, 95% of these people is not talking about the stuff that I'm talking about. So when you come on my channel, automatically you're gonna say, "What is this guy talking about?" You know. So it's gonna be hard for me to try to convince you guys, but I think I could do it day by day. TKAT says, I just bought the course and I bought a notebook that take notes for your course. And like what I have, he said, I like what I have seen so far. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. This is the guy that basically bought the course, so I appreciate it. I just started the market cycles part of your program, by the way. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. Chancellor says, I am, thanks. Much love from Miami. South Beach is popping. No, South Beach, man, all day. He said, won't the regulations bring in new money? I will get to that. Let me see the other questions real quick. So when do you sell? You transfer your money to fiat? Yes. No, I transfer to fiat. When I sell, I you know, go back to fiat, and when I see another opportunity, I just fund the account again. S. Burris says, I just signed on. What I just missed? You missed everything because I'm about to get off. But once I get off, you can definitely watch the stream again. He's crypto investing said what I think about trading bot. Okay, so I will get to your question. Crypto trading. Let me answer 911 speed first. So 911 says, won't regulation bring in new money? Yes, that is sort of true, but you have to understand that it's going to take time. So let me go to coin market cap before. Okay. You have to understand that most of these coins that's on CoinMarketCap are scams, right? And they are useless, and they really are not. You know, they don't do anything. So when they regulate this market, a lot of these guys, they have to disappear, right? And in order for them to disappear, the market has to continue to go back down. This is why I'm trying to tell you guys. This is why, in my opinion, the market will continue to go down, because these guys have to disappear. Because you have to understand, if the market goes up right now, right? Let's say the market just says buyers just come in, right, and push this thing all the way back to 20K, right? And the market turned bullish again. You have to understand that all these cheap scammy coins, right, they are going to survive just because the market is bullish now. But in order for these guys to go bye-bye, right, disappear, the market has to continue to go down. And this is why I'm telling you guys, this is why I believe the market will continue to go down, because they have to squeeze these guys out. These guys can't survive because they're messing up cryptocurrencies, right? Scam after scam, scam after scam. So in order to squeeze these guys out, the market has to go down. It's impossible to squeeze them out because right now they are still surviving. So they have to bleed. In order for them to bleed, the market has to go down. The same way it did in the other, was that .com boom. So regulations will bring in investors, but it's going to take time because a lot of stuff is going to happen. You know, it's a lot of stuff is going to happen, you know, in between. So this stuff this might, you know, take a long time. Let me see something real quick. If I can actually go to Google Bitcoin. And I'm gonna answer the other guy question, crypto investor question about the trading bot. All right, so let's go back to the last crash that Bitcoin had, right, in 2013. I'm gonna show you guys something, right? It happened in 2013 in November, right? And when the market basically started to turn bullish again, it was around 2015 in November. So it took 2 years for the market to actually, you know, start to go back up again, right? Now you have to understand the top of this right here, it took another, let me see, the top is 11,000, right? The top of this is 11,000, right? So when was 11,000? 11,000 was 2017, right? So you have to understand, it took, just to get back to break even, right? So let's say that someone bought right here, just to get back to break even, it took 5 years, because this was 2013 and 11,000, right? We went, and that's the top. The top was 11,000, and to get to that had 11,000. It was in 2017, around here. So 5 years. You have to understand that 5 years, and this is when the market was not regulated, right? This is a unregulated market that took 5 years just to break even. So the people that bought at 11,000 right here in 2013, in order for them to actually break even, it took them 5 years. And this is what I'm trying to convince you guys, or you know, just basically trying to tell you guys that buy and hold is not the only strategy, and it shouldn't be your only strategy, because if you're willing to wait 5 years to break even, that means that you're wasting time, because I'm showing you how to make money now, right? That's 5 years wasted down the drain, right? So let me ask you this, right? If you lose $1 or $5 today, can you get back that money? Of course, you can get that. You can get back $1 or $5 or even $20. You can get back next week when you get paid. You can replace that $5 that you lost or that $20 you lost. But can you get back 5 years? No, you can't get back time. You can't get back time. So when you lose 5 years, just to, you know, get back to break even, that's 5 years that you lost. You can't get back that time again. So I'm trying to give you guys an opportunity to trade this, because you can make money now. You can trade it when the market's going up. I mean, going down, right? And then when the market's going back up like this, you can trade it you can trade this market going up. So I'm trying to give you an opportunity to make money when the market's going up and down. And you have to understand, this is a unregulated market. It took 5 years to break even in a unregulated market. So right now, the big dogs is coming in and they're trying to regulate the market. So I'm telling you, it might even take longer than that, because a regulated market is usually moves slower than a unregulated market. So if regulations come in, right, even if the big dogs, even if it brings new investors, right, it might slow down the market. So 5 years might even turn to 6 to 7 years. So I'm asking you guys, are you willing? Do you like your 9 to 5 that much that you are willing to waste 7 years? I mean, that's the question. Now let's answer trading investing. He said, what do you think about trading bots? I think trading bots are garbage. And your favorite YouTuber is promoting I'm not going to say the names, but you know what, the bots, they garbage, because in order for a bot to work, you have to understand how the market works. So a bot cannot make you money unless you understand how the market works. What a bot does, it's just a tool, right? It's just a tool, just like Facebook and YouTube, right? A YouTube and Facebook is just another way to communicate. It's just a tool to communicate back and forth, right? And you have to understand, a bot is just a tool. It's not a thing that's going to make you money. It's just a tool, right? What it does is speeds up time, and it speeds up. You can automate your trades, but it's not going to help you make more money, because it's not designed for that. It's just designed to automate stuff and make things quicker. So trading bots to me are garbage, because at the end of the day, you still need to learn how to read the charts. Okay, so listen, guys. I'm about to leave this thing. I checked out the replay. Yes. Also, I send you an email for the course to pay in BTC. Please check once you have time. Of course, when I get off this, I will check it. CTK, I will check your email. Also, best to you and your family. Hope your daughter is letting you sleep. A little bit. But you know, I still love her, man. You know. Rajel said, I bought it last night when you was on live stream. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate all your support. You understand? I do appreciate it. Clive, oh my gosh, I just paid. Didn't get the link. I just released. He said, I just released that and seemed like my account had emailed hacked. Oh my gosh. Clive, what are you talking about? He said, oh my G, I just paid and didn't get the link. I just released that. This seems my account. The email account. I don't know what you're talking about, Clive. Please let me know. Listen, guys, when you pay for this, when you hit buy now, it goes to PayPal. And I don't know what he's talking about. Clive, please let me know what you're talking about. Everybody that bought this course on this live stream had no problem. Ask anybody on this live stream. It goes through PayPal. I don't have no. As soon as you press buy now, it goes straight to PayPal. I have no control over PayPal. So please, if you want the link, let me know. Gosh, these people, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, in section 2 in the course, where the TA starts, just asking for a plan. When it starts right away. Section 2, it starts right away. David, thanks, man, for your great help. I'm in prison, and he said, I trade on my phone, listening to your advice. I have 100K in cash. Do you like this coin? It's okay. In cash, I guess, is okay. But right now, every coin, you know, is down because of the market. And he said, do you think it's going to go do good in 2011, my release date? No, he said 2021, my release date. 2021 is a long time from now, so it's a possibility, you know. Okay, so anyway, Crypto Trader, much love from Holland. Hey, man, thanks a lot. I'm checking it out right now, man. I have to. CTK said he sounds crazy. I know. Like Clive, man. Clive, email me, because you have to understand, as soon as you buy this thing, it goes through PayPal. I don't know. People on this live stream bought this course, got the download link right away. Ask them. So I don't know what's going on, Clive. Matter of fact, check your spam box or something, please. This is my 4th live stream. If I was trying to hide, I wouldn't go on live. If I was trying to hide something, I wouldn't go live. Anyway, so, well, I can't talk about taxes because I'm not licensed. But at the end of the day, I don't mind paying it because we are making extra money. Crypto Investing said, I'm waiting for you, man. He's a troll. Of course he's a troll because, bro, everybody that bought this thing had no problem. They got the thing automatically. It goes through PayPal. You know who PayPal is? Come on, everybody know whose PayPal is. And Clive didn't even answer me yet. I'm asking Clive what's going on. He didn't even type in the chat yet. So he has to be trolling. Anyway, David says, thanks for another great video. I will buy your course soon as I'm out. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I know. He's trying to run a game. I know. Because I asked him a question. He still didn't type nothing. He's funny. Anyway, guys, this thing is longer than I want to be. So you talking about Crypto K? We mean Crypto K. With the bots? No, I'm just talking about any bots. Any trading bot. I don't like any trading bots, you know? So that's about it. So if you missed this live stream, check it out. Sandy, as soon as I bought it, I had to put PayPal information. It was smooth after that. Course definitely on point. Of course, Sandy. Trust me, Sandy. I'm not worried about Clive. Clive is a troll right now. All my subscribers know as soon as they put this, as soon as you put your money in PayPal, you get the course right away. I wouldn't go live every 4 times in a row if I was dishonest. But anyway, guys, I appreciate everything. I appreciate all your support. I guess trolls is part of the game. It's a part of the the live stream game. So I'm like I said, I don't go live that much. This is my 4th time going live, so I'm not used to trolls yet. But it's part of the game, so it is what it is. But Ocean Drive, yes, man. Ocean Drive is where it's at, on the beach. 9/11 said he's on Ocean Drive in Miami. Frozen drinks, yep. Mad chicks. He said mad chicks. Trust me, if you go on South Beach, man, please. You see a lot of things going on. A lot of things. But I'm a married man, so those days is over. Troy. See, Troy got my course. He says no hack. He's trying to run games. See? Come on, man. I'm not stupid. Goodness gracious. But anyway, guys, thank you for your time. I don't know, I don't know how you guys is thinking right now, but like I said, I hope you guys let me see. Cedric says, I just bought your course and I just purchased it. Your second went through, no problem. See, Cedric, I know it's no problems. He's just a troll. Trust me, I know. Like I said, if I really was trying to hide, I wouldn't go live. That's the worst. If you are a person that scam people, you won't go live. That's the worst thing to do, because people will expose you. But anyway, thank you, Cedric, for your support. I appreciate everybody. I'm about to get off the stream, and for you guys that emailed me, I'm about to email you as soon as I get this off the stream. And if you don't know about this discount, check it out. It's only for the live streamers. I'm about to get off. It's 8:53 Eastern time. So 9:53 Eastern time is going right back up to 210. So definitely check it out. This live stream to me was very good. And hopefully, yeah, I see you guys, next day, whatever. And I'm glad to, just hang out with you guys. He said, Troy said, trolls means you made it. I guess so, man. I guess it means I made it. S. Burris says, I dig their live stream. Good to see you on here, man. Appreciate it, man. Yes, I catch you guys on the next one. Like I said, I love to just pour out my knowledge. I have 10 years of experience, 10 years plus. This August is actually going to be 11 years. So I love to give you guys this game. A lot of YouTubers can't tell you this. Can't tell you stuff, right? And I'm trying to help you guys to make money now. Stop waiting 3, 4, 5 years from now. We don't have time. Our generation doesn't have time, right? So talk to you guys later, and just have a great day, man. Have a good night. I'm probably going to get something to eat real quick, and talk to you guys later, man.